Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind of Life.
Welcome to the chat.
I'm Adil,
Adil.
and we're here at
L7.
That's right, folks. We're here at the L7 in downtown Chicago for the next couple of days. Now, this video, what we're going to do is show you guys the room we're staying at. It's the one-bedroom suite. So we'll show you a tour of that, and then show you the on-site dining and amenities that this place has to offer. So let's go ahead and get started and show you guys L7. Alright, so this is our room right here, 611. Let's have a look. Alright, so this is our room right here. Give you guys a quick tour of what we got going on. So you got a little seating area as soon as you enter. We're going to turn some lights on. Let's make it a little brighter in here. I actually like this. Look at this. Some nice decor. Lamps. There you go. Nice and bright. Got your large TV, coffee maker, a mini fridge, cups, glasses, and whatnot. And then you got your window here, little seating area as well. Go ahead and relax against the window here. And then we got the river view, as you can see. We'll just do a little pan all around, give you guys an idea of the room itself. And I think I missed something when I entered. So we got a closet, I think, right here. So that's a large mirror right when you enter. Yeah, so you got the closet as soon as you enter as well, so you're safe. Some robes in here, some hangers. And then moving along, you got your bedroom here. It's pretty spacious. Little area to sit, table, TV in the corner as well. Oh, you got a lot of windows on here. So we got the corner unit, which is always nice to have, so you can see everything. I'm going to show you guys the view. So river view, of course, as mentioned. You see everything. It's crowded out this weekend, so loving the whole vibe out this way. So the corner unit, and then you got your king bed. So large king bed, end tables on the side, your phone, pen, remote, everything you need. Some lights as well in the corner. Very nice. And if you're wondering, there is outlets at your bedside. I love it when they do that. Charge your phone at the bedside. And then your bathroom. Pretty large bathroom as well. Your standing shower as well. And then your countertop. All your amenities included. And then large mirror as well with some lighting all around. So yeah, this is the one bedroom suite at the L7. Let's see what else this place has to offer. On site, you'll find a Korean-American steakhouse, Perilla, a menu providing you with breakfast, brunch, lunch, and dinner. Other amenities on site include a 24-hour fitness center, and valet parking up front. Well, there you folks have it, the L7 in Chicago. If you guys have any questions about this hotel, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Subscribe.